from love, I didn't need the pain. Once, twice, once, nothing, it was all in vain. But time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. But something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, I found something true. And everyone's looking around thinking I'm going crazy. But I don't care what they say, and I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is ripped by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, keep bleeding love. I keep bleeding, keep.
Второй блок на следующей неделе у нас будет посвящен именно целям видео. Да, то есть как ставить цели, как их добиваться, какие техники, упражнения есть для того, чтобы приблизить нашу цель. И третий блок у нас будет посвящен как раз непосредственно тайм-менеджменту, планированию, то есть, как лучше распределяться таким ресурсом, как время. Да?
But nothing's greater than the risk that comes with your embrace. And in this world of loneliness, I see your face, yet everyone